Ashtavakrasana is said to be one of the more accessible arm balances, but with that said, it requires quite a bit of abduction, hip flexion, hip strength, inner thigh strength, quad strength, arm strength, shoulder strength, and will test your ability to twist. Maybe it's not so easy. Decide for yourself. Here are some poses that will help you on your way. Lizard pose for hip abduction, flexion, and inner thigh strength. Plank pose for hands and wrist strength. Chaturanga for tricep and deltoid strength. Side plank for outer hip strength. Floating fallen triangle for inner thigh strength. Single arm side crow to test your ability to twist, strengthen the obliques and arms and shoulders. Crossed ankle scissoring boat kicks to understand the mechanics of the legs. So let's try to put it all together. From a seated position, grab onto the pinky edge of your right foot with your right hand. Kick the heel forward, toes point to the sky. Bend the knee, pull it wide of the ribs, and sit up as tall as you possibly can. Now let's switch hands. Take the left hand, wrap it over the top and around the outside of the pinky edge of that right foot. Thread the right shoulder underneath the knee, trying to get the knee as high up on the shoulder as possible. Take the right hand, plant it on the ground, wider than the shoulder, and then the left hand off to the left. Again, a little wider than the shoulders. Rock back onto your butt, wrap the left foot over the right foot. 3 things are gonna happen at once. I'm gonna kick my legs out to the side, bend my elbows, and not take my chest forward, but take it up and over the mountain to come into the arm balance. Here we go. Kick the legs, bend the elbows, take the chest up and over the mountain, scissoring the inner thighs against the back of the triceps, and then looking over towards the toes. Ashtavakrasana. When you're ready to come down, just bend the knees and drop your booty to the floor. Then try it on the other side. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And I am live streaming classes twice a week, 12 o'clock Tuesdays and Thursdays, Eastern Standard Time. Check out the link in my bio. See you on the mat.